Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's another episode of Ibania, where we share the latest and up to date news. No sugarcoating around here, no fixing it up. Now, let's get into it. Jamaica Hot Topic has a mouthful to share with Andrew Holness. Now, you listen to what he has to say. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for all new news, fresh topics. Nothing sugar coated here. Ibania no come for sugar coat. No news. You're gonna get it just as it is. No, thank you in advance to all my viewers, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Integrity Commission. The implication of this goes far and wide. Why hasn't it been certified? And does the public have anything to be concerned about?
You would appreciate that this is for the state of emergency.
Well,
and
PM,
so those are the questions that we're entertaining at this time.
Are you giving?
Do you have questions on the state of emergency for St. James?
Well, PM, we don't see it very often, so.
Please let her answer the question, because I think that it is not fair to say that you don't see me often. Because I have not yet certified them. They have written to me asking various questions. I have provided answers, and they have written to me again, and I'm in the process of providing those answers.
My viewers and subscribers, I wanted to share this video with everybody where you know. Share the video with everybody know, and like up the video. I want you typing in the comments and answer this question. Do you believe this man? Do you believe this man? The young journalists, they were having a press briefing about the Zoso, and the young lady get up and bust the question upon him by surprise and ask him about him statutory declaration. And the communications director tried to shut down the young lady from asking him the right questions. And when him say it look bad, him decide for answer. And you hear the answer what him say? Oh, him start book shuffle. After him start book shuffle, him say him too concerned. Oh, you concerned to them not certified yet? You know why them not certified, sir. Are you a part of the 6? Or why find out watch your video to the end?
Prime Minister, your statutory declarations have not been certified by the Integrity Commission. The implication of this goes far and wide. Why hasn't it been certified? And does the public have anything to be concerned about?
You would appreciate that this is for the state of emergency.
Well,
and
PM,
so those are the questions that we're entertaining at this time.
Are you giving?
Do you have questions on the state of emergency for St. James?
Well, PM, we don't see it very often, so.
Please let her answer the question, because I think that it is not fair to say that you don't see me often. Because we have met up on several tours and other occasions. The post-cap, just to be clear, the post-cabinet press briefing is for the ministers and the various portfolios. And I want to be clear that on all important matters, my government does provide the opportunity for information to be dispensed to the public and for our ministers to be questioned. And I'm very happy that the post-cabinet is being conducted routinely and consistently. As it relates to my integrity declarations, I too am concerned that they have not yet certified them. They have written to me asking various questions. I have provided answers, and they have written to me again, and I'm in the process of providing those answers. You will, however, appreciate that it does take some time, and particularly for me, to get 2 or 3 days to go through matters and provide answers. I simply have to be very frugal with my time. And I suspect the same for the Integrity Commission that have to go through several thousands of declarations. But I would expect that they would give some priority to my declarations. I do hope to be able to respond to them before the end of this week. So I'm hopeful that they would do their work and provide the nation with the necessary certification. To be clear, I have tried not to comment on the issue because I find myself in an invidious position in that I have to protect and defend most times the institutions of the country. So my silence should not be interpreted as not wanting to address it, but I do have another role, and that role is to protect and to defend the institutions, the laws that we have put in place. So I'm hopeful that in short order this matter will be resolved. By the way, you should also know that it is quite routine that the Integrity Commission will write to persons over and over again. And there would be several persons whose statutory declarations are not certified because they are in this continuous process of asking questions and trying to make determinations. My situation, obviously, would be public, and therefore it would cause some concerns. And so I accept and I acknowledge that. But it would not have been the first time that the Integrity Commission would have taken a long time to resolve my matters. And I suspect that as Prime Minister, they would want to be very detailed in what they do. I would hope that there is no difference in my treatment than given to others. And I really do not, I would not want to think so.
My viewers and subscribers, you've heard for yourself in depth. You serve for yourself in details the response that this man gave him. Never expect the question, Never expect the question, but that's how you have to do them. You have to lick them by surprise with the question and catch them on spot. My viewers and subscribers, this man is too lie, bare-faced, dry-eye, and wicked, and not to mention lie again. The man said him concern. See it up on the screen? Owners concerned is income and assets declaration not certified. So you concerned to yours not certified, sir. You know why it's not certified. You just need to tell the people and the truth. You know why it don't concern. And as long as your wife sit down on the IC kill Mr. Maspo's throne, we will never know. But remember, so God don't like ugly. So stretch out your hand. You would assume stretch out your hand for them carry go lock you up. Because that is why the Integrity Commission cannot certify your the income and asset declaration. Maybe you have too much money and then you know how you get it. And you can't prove how you get it within a little short time. That's why the people have you under investigation. And that is why they're not certified yet. They think you can't fool the people, sir, time come, sir, the song say vote out labor. And the people are going to vote out your backside. That's all I have to say. I'm not sorry for you too blinking lie. You tell you could sleep with the windows and doors open and it takes 7 years to realize you can't fix crime. No, you talk about you need a ministry for fix crime. You too lie and wicked time come. Jamaican people are going to vote you out. My viewers and subscribers, like and share the video. And remember to subscribe. Until next time, we're going to vote out the wicked man and too lie vote him.
And you said to do a research, so I did mine.
So quick.
And based on what Wikipedia says, it says that Pegasus is a spyware developed by the Israelite cyber arms company, MSO Group, that is designed to be covertly and remotely installed on mobile phones. Now, if that is happening in Jamaica, it therefore means that no information in Jamaica is secured.
I just asking if it is here. I don't know if it is here, but don't you think it would be good enough that the government of Jamaica should tell us if Pegasus is here, yes or no?
They would not tell us. It would be good enough for them to tell us, but knowing how corrupt our government is,
yes,
we will not know about it. And that's just a fact.
So you're worried about Pegasus in the country?
Of course, because it therefore means that our Jamaican people is not safe.
But what is further depressing is that If Pegasus is here, right? All crime can't fix.
That's the thing. They're probably not involved in that.
If it is being used, is Pegasus being used to facilitate crime reduction, or Pegasus is used to spy on people in their private dwellings?
But do you think that's what they're using it for?
I don't know. I want to go visit and look on what the trip Andrew Holness make in Israel in 2017. And when you look, I want you to tell me where I'm get from Israel. And then you will ask yourself if Pegasus is a gift that he got from Israel. And then there and forth, you will say to yourself, if Pegasus is here, how come Pegasus not help crime, but probably could it be that it's only used when the government needs to use it for their benefit? It's questions like this we need to answer.
That's exactly what I think it is, because they're not using to do positive things, but of course,
yes,
they will be using it as an extension of their corruption. So the things that are needed to be done with Pegasus will not be done with Pegasus. But if they're doing it for corruption purposes, they will use it to their benefit. And at the end, it has no solution to Jamaica, it's no benefit to Jamaica, but it would be beneficial to who is using it. So if our government official is using it and they want to start, say for example, Andre,
yes,
you are doing your work and you're digging up all this dirt and then they can use that spyware to dig up your past, dig up everything about you to use it against you.
So you see that happened to me? You know, see that happened to me one day.
Alright, but that's what I'm saying now. That's why I'm saying. So they are using the information to do it in a negative way. So they are using their side of things to do cybercrime and to also commit more physical crime in the country. That's exactly what it is. So I'm glad you brought about the Pegasus spyware to us, that I would have known what was going on. So when you said it, I went and I did my research.
That's why
I went and I did my research.
That's why if you follow that program, you all women that on YouTube, anyway me they attack on if you follow me, okay?
I always say that. I've already been a subscriber for a while. I'm always behind it there.
Alright, you can see if you can pledge a support to the I pledge. Even $150, we need it this week.
Will do.
Alright, God bless you, my darling.
Alright, thank you.
Yes.
Have a good evening.
Alright, students. God bless you now. And remember, go and research Pegasus spyware. Go and research Pegasus spyware. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I've also done my research and I went on the Wikipedia platform, and this is what it states. Pegasus is a spyware developed by the Israelite Chamber Arm Company NSO Group that is designed to be covertly and remotely installed on mobile phones running ISO and Android. While NSO Group market Pegasus as a product for fighting crime and terrorism, governments around the world have routinely used the spyware to surveil journalists, lawyers, political dissidents, and human rights activists. So if me not reading a things, and if me not jump the gun, and if me not reach, this is saying that this spyware is a government multi-spyware. So it can be launched on your phone remotely. So you don't have to put it on. Them can put it on your phone itself. You understand? And it spy on everybody. So is this something that Andrew wants to put in our country to spy on us? Everything that we do? Let me read some more. As of March 2023, Pegasus operators were able to remotely install the spyware on ISO versions through using a zero-click exploit. While this capability of Pegasus may vary
overnight due to software updates. Pegasus is generally capable of reading text message, call snooping, collecting password, location tracking, accessing the target device, microphone, and camera, and harvesting information from apps. Whoa, you know see this viewers, you know see this my viewers and subscribers. So they must say it can put on your phone regardless, and them can find out everything about you, everything about your life, your lifestyle, who you're speaking with, who it just tell them everything. It access your microphone. So me a thinking of myself, when Jamaica ID go down one day, I wonder, but you know what, let me read some more. The spyware is named after Pegasus, the winged horse of Greek mythology. Now people, if you're familiar with your Greek mythology, you know about Ares, the god of war, Zeus, Hercules, and all of those people. And these are named after the zodiac signs, and also they are also fallen angels, if you guys never know. So go look up on the Greek mythology. And if you don't realize them people use signs and names for a reason. Them use them something for a reason. Now, Ibania subscribers and viewers, I have something else to inform you about. Now, you did know say Israel thanked Jamaica for skipping controversial vote. You know, the UNESCO vote. You know about that vote there? Yeah. At the same one with Kamina Johnson Smith never go. And then a so-called person crosses. I mean, you know, the lady know what she was talking about. No, this is going to have a whole heap of repercussions on us. A whole lot of repercussion. This is where Cunju deliberately pick a side. So you pick a side, and you pick a side with the wrong set of people. Cunju, right back in a slavery we go. Papa Jesus.